Don Daguno from Sasin, Iloilo. Today, I'm gonna perform burping a baby. First, place a towel over your shoulder. Hold the baby right. Hold the baby's chest over your shoulder. Gently rub or pat the baby's back to help her burp. Second, face down on your lap. Hold the baby fitting up on your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest, back, and head. Yes. Put your palm on in the baby's chest like this. Rub gently the baby's back or top to help the baby burp. Third, sitting up. Assist the baby in a sitting position like this. Supporting baby's neck, chest, and head. Rub gently her back or top to help the baby burp. That's all. Thank you.